Good morning, students. It's day 2 of our class and we are doing chapter 16, Light. Today's topics are multiple images and its applications, dispersion of light, spectrum of light. Multiple images. What are multiple images? When two mirrors are inclined on each other at an angle, as you can see in picture, many images of the object are seen. Here you can see the two mirrors are inclined at an angle, and in front of the mirrors we have a nail polish, or we can say nail paint bottle, and you can see a single nail paint in the mirror. Its images are 3 in number. This is because the image formed in one mirror act as the object for other. Many images are formed in this manner are called multiple images. When we change the angle of these two mirrors, we can see number of images are formed. Applications of multiple images. Kaleidoscope. It is a biggest example, or we can say biggest application of the multiple image. We can also make an kaleidoscope at home, but we need few things for this, and these are: we need plain mirrors and a small pipe to make it. What is kaleidoscope? It is a device based on principle of multiple reflections. ऐसा डिवाइस जो मल्टीपल रिफ्लेक्शन के प्रिंसिपल पे बेस्ड है, उसी के बेस पे बनता है. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ मिरर इंक्लाइन टू ईच अदर एट एन एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री. 60 डिग्री का एंगल हम मिरर्स को लेके बनाते हैं, इंक्लाइन करते हैं. इस हिसाब से हम तीनों मिरर्स को. द मिरर फॉर्म मल्टीपल इमेजेस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, एज यू कैन सी इन थर्ड पिक्चर, द प्रिंटेड पिक्चर. यू कैन सी this is the image formed by kaleidoscope. When we rotate the kaleidoscope or we shake the kaleidoscope, these patterns, the beautiful patterns change. We have to give them some colors to see such type of patterns. Dispersion of light. The phenomena of splitting of white light into 7 colors on passing through transparent medium is called dispersion of light. Splitting of white light. We can see the light coming from sun. It is also white light. When it split into 7 color on passing through transparent medium, this process is called dispersion of light. This kind of phenomena you have seen in the rainbow. When rainbow appears, we can see these 7 colors easily. This figure, the splitting of that white light, when sunlight splits into 7 color, it make a rainbow, and this phenomena is called dispersion of light. Next we have spectrum of white light. When this band of 7 color formed when white light passes through transparent medium is called spectrum of white light. This 7 color band is called spectrum. Here you have a homework. You have to solve these questions. You have to write answer of these questions in your notebook, and you have to Read page number 203 and 205 of your NCERT book for your better understanding.